Well, I've done a blade swap here. Look at this blade. It actually was upside down. And those ends are bent on both sides. Very badly. It's supposed to go this way. With the star up that way. So I put a used Troy Bilt blade I had already sharpened on here, because I think that one would shake if it does start. I cleaned this air filter out best I can, so we're going to give this the old college try and give it a start here and see what happens. Took the bag off for the moment. I've got the handle tied down. We're just going to give it a try. Start, let's see. Oops, I forgot to prime it. It's full of gas, and the gas smells fine. I don't hear anything going in there. That's not good. Oh! Oh man! That runs pretty good. Still works. Well, it sure does. My goodness. Running as smooth as it can be. How about that?